Well, new tonight, health officials say HIV infections in teens are trending staggeringly high. A new partnership, which includes Shelby County Schools, is working to slash the number of new infections. Just as alarming is who's most at risk. ABC 24's Lauren Turman spoke with medical experts about that partnership. Lauren, what'd you learn?
Yes, Rudy. Well, these partnerships in Shelby County are having a peak as a 6-year trend of increased HIV infections is underway. Now, according to the Shelby County Health Department, those numbers are specifically high in 14 to 35-year-olds. The department is trying to create relationships with Memphis schools, including colleges and universities, to figure out why other major cities have declining rates while Memphis continues to rise.
It really encompasses all the problems. It's a failure of education and prevention. It's a failure of people getting into treatment.
Dr. Steve Threlkeld is the medical director for infectious diseases at Baptist Memorial Healthcare and also specializes in HIV and AIDS. After a continued increase in HIV rates, he wants people to understand how vital testing is.
This is a preventable problem, and there are any number of steps that we can use to prevent them. Of course, we mentioned education, and then there are a number of ways once we know that someone is at risk, for example, to prevent the infection. Abstinence, certainly, barrier precautions.
The Shelby County Health Department has listed a 36% increase in Shelby County since 2018, and an even larger increase in those who are 15 to 19 years old over the past 6 years.
I know that the Shelby County Health Department right now is in an active role of touching base with the school systems, and that would be more for younger kids up through the high school age to try to get new programs developed. Now, it is true certainly that they've already increased testing by 30–40% or more over the last 6 months or so, so that's going to be very helpful.
The University of Tennessee Health Science is one of those schools, and doctors say the department is creating the opportunity for more conversation and better detection.
We are trying to help them do that, is to encourage people to get tested, know your status, know your health status. Because here's the thing, HIV for most part is usually asymptomatic. What that means is that people that have contracted HIV do not even know they have that infection. And so you being completely unaware that you have an infection is easier to pass that to your sexual partners.
Officials encourage everyone to stay aware of their health status and ask parents to talk to their children to help educate them and make them aware of the long-term effects of HIV. When asked, neither the Shelby County Health Department or Memphis-Shelby County Schools detailed what their partnerships will look like. Rudy?
We certainly hope it works, though, Lauren. All right, thanks a lot.